With the smell of solder in the air. I'm going to make a video, just a quickly one. Still have to empty the salt from my old softener. I just installed, not sure how the lighting is, I might redo this video, this Fresh water softener. It's actually a canister water softener, the exact same one Reliance installs, because I used to work there as their rentals. You can get this at Home Hardware, or you can get Lowe's to match the price, and take a month to deliver it from a bad shipping company. So I hard soldered it right in. These are push connect with O-rings on it fittings to 3/4 threads. My softener head used to be over here for no reason. This gives me more clearance to my furnace now, instead of having the salt tank here. Oh, there it goes. Still got the original thing on it. Oh, there that goes. I'll join its Fresh water filter there with Watt's home house filter. But pretty simple install. You know, if you have a little bit of plumbing experience, but if you don't, you can definitely use the shark bites. You can just buy 3/4 shark bite fittings, and you can buy some PEX and another shark bite fitting, and you can stick it right in, or you can buy shark bite connects. If you're not, you know, not too familiar, even though, as you see, I got a shark bite shutoff right here, going to my RO system, which I do not recommend this company. These filters are ridiculous. Next time I change them, I'm buying a new RO system. On top of that, they expect to get a licensed plumber for $20 an hour in Canada, which is ridiculous. A little bit of a rant and an install. Made sure everything's good here. You know, the drain line is secured there with a zip tie. I went through the programming a little bit. I did check. I'm going to put a mark on it. The resin level is pretty high. It's up to here, so that's good. There's currently no salt in there. I did prime it with a little bit of water. That's why my next job is pulling out my rock salt out of here and adding it to the new softener, because I did do a brine tank clean out of this not too long ago. So we'll see how this thing works. I don't expect anything bad, and we will see.